Really? Straight through a red light.
Yep.
Doesn't matter whether orange or white now. And they just went through a red light.
Just went through a red light.
The magic eraser has worked very well on my memory. So everybody out there,
Manual recording on.
You gotta let us know.
Yeah, red light. Good job, buddy.
Or organization, university.
Good one. Dude, that is a red light.
It is a red light.
That's not open. Someone's had a terrible day.
Oh, this car, that's all fucking wrong.
Damn it, missed!
What the fuck? Just go through a red light, buddy. Doesn't matter.
Well, that's
Oh,
fine.
well done. Sure.
One way. One way. One way. It's one way. Bye-bye. One way. Come on, love. Again, it's one fucking way. One way. One way. One way or another, I'm gonna find you.
Oh, you dickhead. You fucking
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
No one's going to be cheering for you. I mean, it may be true, but I just don't think a comment that's respectful from a guy I've never met before in my life. And
as to, on the one hand, people are thinking, gee, these tennis players are precious, and on the other hand, they're saying that maybe we are being a bit cheeky over here in Australia. My personal view is, and I think you'll agree, Michael, is that
you're not allowed to do that.
Disconnect between Aussie humour and maybe how it's being received on the international.
They really overtake the dance and second.
That's close.
There he is! Get him, Ice! Get him!
Continue on Wattle Tree Road for 3 kilometers.
Nearly got him.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Alexander Avenue.
Fucking brain dead. Fucking brain dead.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right onto City Road, Yarrabank Highway.
Oh, you arsehole.
And Nathan McSweeney, an Australian test player, we can now say that. Michael, he's on the line. G'day, Nathan.
Hey guys, how you going?
How you going, mate? Back in the squad to go to Sri Lanka. How's the preparation coming on?
Yeah, super excited. Haven't been able to prepare a whole heap as of yet. Obviously got a couple of important games to go for the Brisbane Heat to hopefully make the BBL finals for the boys.
Did that guy seriously just turn from that fucking right lane?
Yeah, so he was tough work, no doubt. I think batting 3 and opening still there is little differences, but my preparation's the same as if I was batting 3 where I normally bat shield cricket. So it was tough work, no doubt.
Fuck off, mate.
Hopefully, if I get another chance.
What the fuck are you doing?
For me, I was, felt pretty comfortable in that. I tried.
You can fuck up.
This podcast is brought to you by the Sydney Kings.
Sick of this every fucking day.
With home games at Kudos Bank Arena from September 29.
Is it crazy
Goodbye.
Chosen a home of my own.
What the fuck are you doing?
Not because it was imposed on.
Fucking moron.
After a few interviews, I was hired by the political science department of a private university. It wasn't a spectacular position.
Well, that's a nice car.
Sees debates about
Turn left onto Dorcas Street.
Ferrari. Yeah, but that didn't seem to affect the phone.
Yeah.
Don't know. Nice old MG.
Tell me, how many trucks do you see?
I see one, unless I've been drinking.
Hey, boy, do it to him. And I must be commode hanging drunk, but I swear I see a ton of trucks.